My name's Kevin Otto. I'm in the mechanical engineering department, and I'm here to talk to you about the subject design and manufacturing practice. Students can expect to learn how to design a device, parts, so that they can be manufactured. So you might 3D print parts, like this bracket. So what if you didn't want to 3D print this, but instead wanted to use injection molding or CNC machine it or sheet metal form it? Would it look like this? And no, it wouldn't. If it were sheet metal, it would look something like this. All right, so this was the same part. It functions exactly the same functionally, but it's designed to be sheet metal formed, and which is much faster. So how do you decide, right? That's what this subject is about on piece parts. Thinking about appropriate levels of automation and how to design the system so that it can be manufactured at the quantities you want. That's what we talk about.
It was a very hands-on subject, which is different to a lot of your traditional theory-heavy subjects. That was definitely a highlight for me, as I like to get my hands dirty and play around with stuff, and you get to look at different designs. I'm passionate about design engineering and so on, and this is the subject that's catered for that. The most useful thing that I learned in this subject is how to look at designs in different ways and look at different manufacturing methods you can use for a specific design.
So this is a very hands-on subject. You will do the design work, and you will build these parts, and you will assemble it. And if it doesn't work, you will fix it, and you'll get immediate, understanding of what works and what doesn't. Yeah, it's very much a project subject.
You not only learn from books, you also learn from practice. And also, you learn something very useful, very practical for your future career. So for the students who are from other subjects, I really advise you to attend this workshop. You can make a lot of friends from other subjects and work on a real product.
Students in mechanical engineering and industrial engineering and mechatronics should certainly consider enrolling in design and manufacturing practice. It is a design, and fabricate sort of subject. Any student who has makerspace training and knows a bit about just how to make things is certainly capable of taking the subject.